Alright, I'm going to do this again because I stopped recording and it didn't completely go through. So, fun. So here we go again. Apply the Berlin theme. Apply the percentage format with no decimal places to B7 to D7. Change the width of column C. Use the auto fit. Hover over D till you get the arrows and double click. Change the fill color of D9 to the third column, column 5, number 3. Okay. Change the size of the font in A2 to 11 point. Change the page orientation to landscape. Okay, I've done this one again and again and again. So it's going to be equal C4 plus C4 times E5 plus or minus F5 or F4. No. Okay. In cell B16, use the average function. Up here, AVER, go. And highlight all of these and hit OK. Up here in cell E16, use the max function. Hit OK. Move this over here. Grab all of these. Hit OK. Okay. Now we're going to use the minimum function to do the same thing in this cell. Go up here, type in min, and hit go. Hit OK. Move this out of the way. Grab all of those and hit OK. In cell B16, use the sum function. That's highlighted. Hit OK. Then grab all of these and OK. First range is B14 to B15. We're going to go to conditional formatting, top 5 rules, more rules. Change this to 5. Go Go to 5, Format, Fill, and we'll use the last green. Hit OK and OK. Go to Apply. Now A8 to D8. Apply A8. Apply the thick outside. Apply. See C14 to C15. We're going to apply the currency. Apply the short date format to cell D4. Change the height of row 2 to 27. For ranges B13, B3 to 12, B3 to B12. Adjust the number of decimal places so the 2 decimal places are displayed. 1. Okay. I forgot to highlight 1. There we go. 1, 2. There we go. Check the spelling. Review. Spelling. Change. Yes. Okay. Apply. Change the worksheet margins to the narrow margin style. Page layout. Margins. Narrow. Now, I'm going to go to in cell B16. We use the type in the cell function. So I'm going to go equals sum parentheses B4 to B15 parentheses. Using the fill, okay, I'm going to go Dean LU at and there we go. Now we're going to apply in cell B7. We're going to go equals B5 minus B6. And use the fill handle to copy the formula in cell B7. Hover over till you get this little cross and drag. And print range A3 to F8. So A3 8 F. File, print, print selection, print. That is the how you do Excel training, Excel chapter 2 training.